Hey guys, it's Monday, May 11th. So, last week on Tuesday and on Friday, you guys turned in your rough drafts of your research and bibliography and of your narrative. I went through and made a few little comments on those so that you knew what you had to fix up. And today you have a workshop day so that you can fix all of those things up. Your final portfolio or part one of your portfolio is due tomorrow by midnight. So, tomorrow by midnight, you are going to turn in your research note cards. So, you should have 15 of those. You'll turn in your finalized bibliography, and you'll also turn in your finalized narrative. To turn those things in, you can turn them in whenever you're finished with them, but they're due tomorrow, Tuesday, by midnight. You can click right here on the final portfolio. And all of like the rubric is right here for you too. I'll just be filling that out since I went through and commented on the stuff that you did already. I'm just going to fill out this rubric to give you your scores. So let me know if you have any questions. If you would like, I have some times today. Where did it go? I have some conference sign up times today. So just like usual, 9 to 10 and then 2 to 3. So sign up if you need to talk to me or if you have any questions about what you're doing. Have a good day.